Hi, I'm Patrick from the Naples Botanical Garden. I work in the education department, and today we're going to talk about some gardening techniques you can do at home. Of course, before you go out and harvest, you want to make sure you wash your hands, get them nice and clean. It's something we've all had a lot of practice with the last couple of weeks. You also want to make sure that you use a food-safe wipe or a hydrogen peroxide wipe, or you can also get rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, make your own wipe. You want to make sure that you clean your scissors or pruners before you use them. Get them nice and clean. You also want to make sure that you have a food-safe container to put your harvest in. This is just a bowl from my kitchen, and we're going to harvest some kale right here. You want to start with the older leaves, which are going to be the ones lower down, and you want to get as close to the stem of the plant as possible, and just snip the leaves off and work your way around as you harvest your vegetables here. And once you're done, because you want to leave the younger leaves for future harvesting, you will just go inside. You can wash your leaves, your vegetables, make a nice salad, or use them for your lunch or dinner. Of course, you can only harvest the plant for so long. In the case of my lettuce here, it is starting to flower, and so it'll flower and produce seed, and the leaves, unfortunately, aren't going to be as tasty as they once were because all of the energy is going to the flowers, and so they're going to be quite bitter. So I'm not harvesting my lettuce anymore, but my kale, it will still be able to be harvested for a while. That's all about harvesting your own vegetables at home, and hopefully this will give you a nice fun family activity to do outside in the safety of your own backyard.